Well, the best way to clean a turkey butt is just put the hole under the water. Or it'd be easy and stick your hand up on the bottom. Better. Actually, it's better when you do that. It's faster when you do it that way. Now, see? Now it's flat now. Look at my hand. Turn it on there. That's what I do. It's in a turkey. Well, I am. I don't want to talk to you. Just watch.